Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Contra Operation Galuga game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Contra Operation Galuga game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Now from here, just click on the Options button, which will now take you into the Options page. Now within the Options window, you will see the text language option. Just use the left or right arrow in order to switch between the various different languages that are available for the game. After you find the language that you prefer to use, you can simply click on it and it will be applied right away. And you can come back into this page as many times as you want in order to change the language within the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the game language on the Contra Operation Galuga game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.